Hello friends, today we are learning what is email marketing. So let's start. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending commercial messages or information to a group of people via email. It is a direct and targeted approach to reach out to potential or existing customers and promote product services or engage with the audience. Email marketing typically involves building an email list of subscribers who have voluntarily provided their email addresses or have shown interest in a particular brand, product, or service. The collected email addresses are stored in a database called an email list of subscriber list. Number one, email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending commercials, messages, or information to a group of people via email. It is a direct and targeted approach to reach out to potential or existing customers and promote products, services, or engage with the audience. Number two, email marketing typically involves building an email list of subscribers who have voluntarily provided their email addresses or have shown interest in a particular brand, product, or service. Collected email addresses are stored in a database called an email list or subscriber list. Businesses and organizations use email marketing to communicate with their audience, build brand awareness, drive customer engagement, and generate sales of leads. Email campaigns can be designed for various purposes such as promotional emails, uh, these emails are sent to promote products, services, discounts, or special offers. They aim to encourage recipients to make a purchase and take advantage of specific deal. Newsletters are regular emails sent to subscribers with the updates, news articles, or curated content related to a specific topic or industry. They help to maintain engagement and build relations with subscribers. Number six, transactional emails. These emails are triggered by specific actions or events such as orders, confirmation, shipping, or notification, password resets, or account updates. They provide essential information related to customers' interaction with a company. Number seven, lead natural emails. These emails are part of strategy to nurture leads and move them through the sales funnel. They provide relevant content, educational materials, or personalized offer to engage with potential customers and convert them into paying customers. Email marketing offers several advantages such as cost effectiveness, wide reach, targeting, messaging, and the ability to track the measure campaign performance. It allows business to tailor their messages based on recipient demographics, preference, or past interactions, results in high engagement and conversation rates. However, it is important to ensure that email marketing campaigns comply with the relevant regulations such as obtaining proper consent from subscribers and including an unsubscribe option to allow recipient to opt option out of feature communication